Hey guys, it's John again with Cornerstone Window Tinting, and I'm doing a quick video on a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. We tinted the windows on this last week. Some of you may have seen that on our social media, but this week he brought it back in and we did paint protection film on the mirrors, all the complete fenders, the front bumper, and the hood, and we covered it all up. We even did a little bit of his rocker panels for him, but got him completely covered. He's getting ready to leave for a car show in California. And it's going to be quite a trek from Kansas City out there. So wanted to be protected from rock chips and road debris, things like that. So we put our XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film on it. We covered everything. It looks tip top, just beautiful, beautiful finish, and it's extremely durable film. You can actually take a wire brush to it and just try to scratch it up as much as you can. The paint will look destroyed, but you pull it out in the sun for 30 minutes and it heats up and it actually self-heals and you'd never know a thing happened to it. It's incredible. We put it on a lot of high-end cars and just a lot of daily drivers. So if you're interested in getting paint protection film on your car, give us a call. It's 913-481-7392, or visit us online at cornerstonetint.com, or follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at Cornerstone Tint. You can hashtag our work. It's Cornerstone Tint. Thanks for watching.